What's up YouTube? This is unboxing and how-tos, and I'm going to show you guys a video on how to jailbreak and unlock a second generation iPhone running on the 3.1.3 firmware. And as you can see, you need to use Red Snow and bootloaders for the first generation. And I'm going to show you guys that I am running on 3.1.2 right now, and I'm just going to I'm going to update. And I'm just going to plug this in and let iTunes do the rest. And I'm going to have the links for the Red Snow and bootloaders and the iPhone stuff all in the video description right below. And just wait for iTunes to read this. Alright, here we go. A new iPhone software version 3.1.3 is available for your iPhone. We're just going to hit install and just wait for the iPhone just updating. This is just restoring and updating. Alright, what's up guys? So the iPhone is done updating. It's just waiting for it to restore or reboot. And it says plug into iTunes.